Moffred was a student at Bradford University in England.
Who was actually making the decisions about tactics and opposition to the regime, whether it was killing, whether it was sabotage or whatever? Who was basically dictating the pattern of tactics?
Well, we were primarily against the regime. But to answer your question as to who guided us for our tactic, it was, as far as I know, it was after a setting that we had in Germany, and there were some Arab extremists who later on we found that they had links with Habash and some other Palestinian extremist group. In fact, it was after this sitting with these people that we decided, after a lot of conversation with them, that the tactic from now on should be a sabotage, assassination, in simple word, urban guerrilla warfare.
But whenever these decisions were taken at various meetings, the point